जैसे कि हम अब आपको दिखाएंगे आप लीव के लिए कैसे अप्लाई करेंगे। आपको टाइम ऑफिस के टैब में जाना है और लीव एप्लीकेशन के लिए टैब हिट करना है। फिर आप जैसे कि यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं आपके ओपनिंग लीव्स आ रहे हैं जो कैरी फॉरवर्ड हुए हैं पिछले साल से। करंट एंटाइटलमेंट आ रहा है जो साल के लिए करंट एंटाइटलमेंट अलाउड है। लीव्स मैंने कितनी अवेल की हैं। लैप्स माने कि एक एंटाइटलमेंट के हद तक वो अपने आप लैप्स हो जाता है क्योंकि एक पर्टिकुलर एंटाइटलमेंट होती है साल के लिए। कितनी लीव्स मैंने इन कैश की हैं और मेरा जो क्लोजिंग बैलेंस है वो मेरा एग्जिस्टिंग बैलेंस है फॉर द ईयर, जिससे हम अपनी लीव्स मैप करके चलेंगे। तो अब हम आपको दिखाएंगे लीव के लिए कैसे अप्लाई करना। लीव टाइप में कैटेगरीज होंगी, आप कोई भी कैटेगरी चूज कर सकते हैं। मोस्टली द कैटेगरीज दैट आर यूज्ड इज कैजुअल लीव, अर्न लीव एंड सिक लीव. We will show you how to apply for an earned leave. We will click the category of earned leaves and we will take 4 earned leaves today. So we'll apply from the dates. We'll take from 10th of May to 14th of May. As you can see, it will also tell you the criteria of the leaves. For example, not more than 3 leaves can be availed for a casual leave. Further, we can put your contact number, your contact address. You can put your application remarks in the sense that why are you taking this leave, if you'd like to tell us, and then you apply for the leave and your process is done. Further, if you want to club earn leave and sick leaves, you can do that by first applying for the earn leaves and then reapplying for sick leaves again and clubbing those dates together. Casual leaves cannot be clubbed with earn or sick leaves. Thank you. जैसे कि अब हम आपको एक कैजुअल लीव भी अप्लाई करके दिखाते हैं। हम लीव एप्लीकेशन में जाएंगे टाइम ऑफिस में। ये सुविधा आप अपने ऐप की तरह भी ले सकते हैं, जो एक ऐप की वीडियो यूट्यूब पे अवेलेबल है वो आप देख सकते हैं, जिसमें आप ऐप से भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं इन लीव्स के लिए। फर्दर अब हम कैजुअल लीव के लिए अप्लाई करेंगे। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं 10th मई का डेट डाला गया है। फर्दर so you cannot take more than 3 leaves for a particular category of leave. Thus it will restrict you to take that leave and you need to choose another category. Further on the right, I would like to show you, it will show you all your leave data, also the holidays for the year in the company and the weekly offs that we have. Mostly, as we know, we have a second and third Saturday off and all Sundays off. If anyone wants to re-clarify, they can re-clarify from this area itself. So as you can see now, I had applied for a few leaves and my reporting manager is Mr. Madan. In his system, it is showing leave requests. So you will click on that and he has the feasibility to either approve all leaves if I have multiple leaves in one go by clicking at the square, or reject all leaves by clicking. You can reject all the leaves. If he wants to approve and reject some of my leaves, he can do it by clicking at the dots individually. He can also put his remarks on the rightmost side, where he can put remarks for my leaves if I'm taking too many or if I wasn't on time, whatever remarks an HOD would like to put. Further, for an HOD, he can see all the data of any particular subordinate or all employees in terms of their leave data. All they have to do is put which date to which date do they want to see their subordinates attendance. As you can see here, Mr. Madan's portal, he can see all my data of my attendance. You filter the result and all my data will come accordingly from 1st of Feb to 9th of May of how many leaves I have taken. Further, you have more additional filters such as department wise, you can put filters where you can say results equal to a particular location and then you can choose the location.